Alright, we're doing it again. I have a lot of stuff, but I am in Singapore at the moment. I've been here for about a week and a half, just staying with my parents. This is their spare room. Welcome. View of the harbour. You can't see that. So I thought I'd run through everything that I have. I've kind of collected a few more things. I've got a lot of books. I'll start with clothes. So I basically got a whole new wardrobe because obviously when you last saw a video like this of everything that I've got with me, I was in Brighton in England and it was winter, so I had a lot of winter clothes. Summer wardrobe now. So I've got this black t-shirt, I still got this from Brighton, and I've got these purple shorts, flowy happy pants. They are my only pants that I have now. They're made of bamboo and they're so soft and they were really expensive and they don't really fit very well, but I love them. So we're keeping them. And my pyjama top, which I've had since the beginning. This is a new edition from Brighton. When I went to VegFest, I got this. I really like it. I have a tote bag that I also got from VegFest. It's just a bag. It's got my workout gear. So this singlet that I got in Ireland for like, I think it was €1. And these shorts that I've had since the beginning as well. They're from, what's that shop called? That shop that we have in Australia, that's a sports shop, Rebel Sport. I have 2 pairs of shorts. The most comfortable pair of denim shorts I've ever owned in my life. These are from Topshop. They are the mum cut. And then these are my other ones. They're just from H&M. I forgot that I chucked out my bikini bottoms, so I just bought some in the airport. They're just black with like a little knot on the side. And then this top, and it's from Topshop as well. Makes you feel like I'm wearing a watermelon. This skirt I got, it's like a wrap skirt. So it's just like a flowy skirt. It like comes open at the front. These are my 3 like over tops. I went to this thing called like Pre-Loved Kilo Sale. Basically it's a bunch of like old clothes and you go in and you put them all in a bag and then they weigh it at the end, and it was like £15 per kilo. And these ended up being about £3 each. So I've got this blue like long sleeve shirt, then I've got this black one with short sleeves, and then I've got this one which I really love. It's a bit thicker because it's like a cottony material. These are all my shirts. Got this shirt which is my all-time favourite shirt. It's my Santa Cruz aqua blue crop. I think it's from Urban Outfitters. I got this top, one of those like crops that like has like a weird shoulder line. I got this shirt, which I kind of wish I didn't. It was like the first of the summer clothes I picked out. I haven't worn it all yet. I don't know if I will. I have my 2 body suits, just a plain maroon one and then a plain olive green. And then I have this black crop and then my favourite one, my grey one. So that's all the clothes. We're already at 11 minutes. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Apologies to future me who has to edit this video. Anyway, moving on, let's talk about books for a second. I have a bit of a book issue. I do a lot of writing. This is since September. I filmed this book, and I'm just about to finish this book, so now I have a new one. This is my travel scrapbook. It's almost full. I've got like 3 or 4 pages left. So I'll be leaving this here, and then I've got my handy little documents folder, which basically doesn't have that many documents in it. It's mostly cards and letters from friends, things of that nature. So that's what's in here. Now, these are the books. This one and this one were here. This book, I was walking down my street in Brighton, and for some reason everyone in my street had all of their stuff out. Toasters and microwaves and pots and pans and like toys and stuff like that, and you can just kind of take them. Well, it started raining and I saw this, so I just picked this up. And then there's this book, which is actually from the Brighton Library, so sorry about that. And then I've also got my Kindle. This is my TechNet portable battery charger. It's 10,000 milliamps, so it'll charge my phone like almost 3 times. Then I've got my 2 terabyte hard drives. Got the camera that I'm shooting on, obviously, Canon EOS 700D, universal adapter. Got my JBL speaker. This is so heavy. I debated about getting a new speaker so many times, but it is so loud and so good that I just couldn't justify it, so we're just keeping with it. I've got a head torch, 2 disposable cameras that are both I need to develop the film basically, and I didn't have a chance to develop it when I was in Brighton. Earphones, I don't know what brand these are. I've got a deck of cards, which is always handy. A spoon and a fork. Phone charger. This is also the same as my Kindle charger, also the same as my battery charger. I've got my glasses, which I might just put on. This is my grease wallet. I've got passports. This passport is now useless, my Australian passport, because it expires in less than a month. So unless I'm going to Australia in less than a month, I don't really know how I'm getting into the country yet. Cocoa butter, Vaseline, cork wallet with monzo card. So good. You just get an app and they just deliver the card to you. And basically you can just use it in any country. So if there's anyone watching this who needs one, I have a golden ticket, which means instead of having to wait like weeks and weeks, you get your card in like a few days. So hit me up if you need one. Some USBs and a hair tie, a bunch of useless cards. And then I've got my bum bag, which is the best thing that I've ever bought. A Sharpie. This is my flag from Brighton. Sarong gave me a bag, a roller, and my rain jacket. Move on to Toiletries. Believe it or not, this does actually all fit into here. Cotton wool pads. Also, obviously, my phone and my laptop. Venus razors that has like the removable heads, and the heads are all the same, so I just bought like 8 of them. Bamboo toothbrush, shampoo bar, comes in a little bag. This has got my moon cup in it though. Got my crystal stick deodorant, magnesium sulfate paste. I'm getting a lot of issues with my skin. It's like really good for things like that. So a little bottle of apple cider vinegar. This simple, you definitely can't see that. It's soothing eye balm. I didn't buy this, it was just gifted to me, so it wasn't really gifted. My friend just didn't want to use it anymore, so she gave it to me. A flat box of band-aids and some like really fancy dressing. A 50p comb that I got from Tesco when my last toiletry bag got stolen. I have this necklace. It's just like a gold chain. It's not gold. It's definitely not gold. I've got a £2.50 nudes eyeshadow palette. So I've got the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Genius Kit, which has a brush and like these 2 colours, and I've got this mascara that was gifted to me. 2 brushes, so I've got like a standard eyeshadow brush, then this one's like a little like sharp pointy one, so that's if you want to do like some, I don't know. Then I've got this, which is like a brown black, it's meant to be an eyebrow pencil, but I just use it as eyeliner. And these like little mini hoop earrings. Got my big tweezers, which are great, scissors, which are so handy, and I've got nail clippers. So that's everything that I have with me at the moment. Oh my god. Well, from the tech section, this is my dry bag. First of all, I've got 2 spare batteries for my Canon camera. I've got one of those British wall plug adapters, and I've got an Australian one. I've got the Australian end to my MacBook charger, camera charger, and I've got my GoPro with its casing, and the GoPro charger. I've got my Nokia phone, and then I've got my little coin cork purse thing. It's got a set of earrings, a USB, a paper clip that I use to like change my SIM card, and the rest are just SD cards. But that is officially everything. So I'm heading to Bali in a few weeks, and then from Bali I'm going to be there hopefully for about a month, and then I'm going to go I think to Thailand and then make my way across. So I'll do Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, those 3 before flying back to Australia, and then I plan to be there for the rest of the year. But I just thought I'd make this video just to give you a bit of an update, and I've probably been filming for about 45 minutes. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'm going to go stand over there now so I can give you a proper sign out, and so it's not really awkward. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.